The GoPro Hero 10 features a 23 megapixel 4.3 sensor that has the capability of shooting at 5.3K at 60 frames a second, while 4K at 120 frames per second. It still has the normal GoPro shock and waterproof builds, as well as the capability of going 33 feet underwater without any housing. The 10 definitely took some notes from its predecessor, the 9. It does include the fact that you can change and replace the lenses. Also, it does have that front-facing screen. And two huge things that they improved on besides the normal resolution that you get is the fact that its stabilization and overall performance of the camera does improve upon thanks to the GP2 processor. One issue that a lot of people had with the 9 is the fact that the front-facing screen would lag. Yes, it would be a little bit behind, it would be choppy. Now with the 10, it runs perfectly smooth, and it is a definite upgrade thanks to that GP2 processor. The GoPro 10 does improve upon the 3.5 HyperSmooth and is now at stage 4, the 4.0. So this will be, to date, the best in-body stabilization that GoPro has to offer. As well, the low light performance has been improved. The GoPro 10 weighs in about 153 grams, which is about 5 grams less than the GoPro Hero 9. If you are an owner of the 9, feel free to do so without any issues, as most accessories have been deemed to work with the 9 as well as the 10. You are still able to stream 1080p video to YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook with complete ease, all in body. One new feature is the new cable file offloading that makes it so much easier to get your files online or get your files to your phone. All you need to do is plug in your phone directly to the GoPro using the USB-C port, and then you can easily do file offloading in its app. Currently, the MSRP for the GoPro Hero 10 is $499. And just to let you know what's in the box, here we go with a quick little unboxing. You are greeted with this hard shell case that will keep all within the box secure. A cable for updates, charging, and data transfer, the GoPro battery, the curved adhesive mount, the thumb screw for the mounting buckle, and the mounting buckle itself, the micro SD card, and of course the main attraction,